Hello everyone, welcome back to A Path Forward. Today I'm gonna share my next principle, the theory of evolution. I think everyone has heard of the Darwin's theory of evolution. However, I think a lot of people are having a confusion when they read that title. They think evolution means like being in advance or like in a better term, but I think the key in the theory of evolution is actually the word natural selection. Okay, there are several things can be actually defined in natural. It's not really necessarily means the environment or such. In the modern days, nature can be several things. One is the society we live in, for example, what the society is favors and disfavors, and also like for example, this how much salary that each job will make, and also how people will get like more famous appreciation, or like what the society think is a good looking at the moment. And also there are things like law, for example, what behavior is promoted and what behavior will be punished, and things like that. And also for punishment, what punishment would it be just fine, or would there be like put in jail or death sentence? And also for promoting, what sort of promoting behavior create, like will it be just cash reward, or like a title, a honor, or etc. And the next thing would be environment. By environment, that's like a common understanding of natural, but it has a lot to do with like more detailed. For example, in a location, how much rain does it have, and also how much sand, or like rich soil, and also maybe gas, oil, all these like resources. What does it have? All of these things combined into a natural, and this natural will create a certain through their like promotion and demotion, will eventually make a selection. These selections is usually a either life or death, or by mate selection. I think modern days, unlike in the past, those who has like who doesn't have certain features will be hunted and be killed and eat. So, but right now it's more gentle. Like mate selection is more plays a higher role. For example, those who has like a higher society roles, or is rich or looks good, has like all these features, usually has like higher chance of selecting their mate, and also with that they are likely to have their like genes passed down. But for those who are not in a like cured natural favored conditions, will has less mate selection chance. And this sort of selection doesn't not really like create a immediate impact, but usually over the long term, like maybe like hundreds years, thousand years, these will create a like serious impact to the society. And that's also what is hard for people to determine which policies or what behaviors is actually good for the current modern society, because this natural selection process has been slowed down as well. Just in case people also have like a hard time to understand this, and maybe to help people see things more clear. I think everyone probably know that I actually like to invest in the stock market. And for people who don't know, there are actually like every single year there are usually like thousands of companies being published or like IPO'd in the stock market. And however, every year there are thousands of companies, but the U.S. stock market only has like I think 10,000 of companies actually listed on there. What happened? Because every year, even though there are thousands of companies being published, there are also thousands of companies being delisted due to either bad conduct or they are not making a profit or like all kinds of reasons. So the stock market is going through this very traditional neutral selection process. For those who actually doing well or being favored by the market, they will continuing to exist, and even being like if they are actually doing very well, they will also be added into the S&P 500 or other like ETFs. However, for those who are not doing good or doing some illegal stuff or something that simply because they are not making things that the market likes, they will be eventually performing bad and eventually delisted from the stock market. This goes on with like a lot of things, not just stock market, but I think people can see that how this plays a huge role in our daily life. So I'll suggest when making your like future decisions or like trying to find out what you are, who you are, and how you achieve that, this should also be heavily considered upon. And I guess one good thing is there are like hundreds of countries in this world, and in each country there are like tons of like different areas has different culture as well. So maybe like when a certain environment does not fit, maybe people can also look at the different place and to choose that actually favors what you want to promote or what you want the society to be like. And also when people are behaving, think of what behavior you are promoting through your behavior. For example, I think we all agree that people want to live in a society where everyone cares about each other, but in order to achieve that society or environment, are you actually caring about the others or not? Because everyone is making a selection for the society, but everyone is also composing of a society. So what we are is eventually will be what the society be. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please hit that like and subscribe button. And until then, see you next time.